Most of the times when I travel, my first agenda would be to search for healthy food option. Green gram khichdi at Rajasthan is easily found in so many local restaurants as well, and it is super rich in protein and healthy that I had to share it with you. For one whistle, green gram and tur dal I have put in. And then I'm keeping in vegetables ready like carrot, potato, onion, tomato, garlic, cumin, and ginger. Alongside, when it is cooked, I'm also adding palak or spinach chopped, rice. Here goes in the masala: red chili powder, pepper powder, turmeric, garam masala, coriander powder, salt. Mix it with water so that they don't form lumps when you add it to the hot mixture here. Once done, you can pressure cook it for 3 whistles or pan cook. Pressure cooking early morning serves the purpose. I'm adding lemon and the tadka, which shouldn't be missed. It tastes delicious. People, do give it a try and let me know if you want more quick breakfast options to be posted on this page. Do follow and do let me know how you like this recipe.